Welcome to the introductory session of interior designing. I'm Architect Mahindra Chawla. I have an experience of 30 years in this field. I graduated from LS Raheja School of Architecture in 1987-88. In this course of interior designing, we'll be going through various sessions where we'll be discussing and help you learn different topics in interior designing, starting from units of measurement, centimeters, inches, feet, meters, conversions from one to the other, how to understand the scale, how to measure a site, then furniture design, false ceiling, flooring, lighting design, daylighting, HVAC, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. We'll discuss all kinds of material in interior designing, the importance of colors, space planning, designing in the third dimension, that is in elevations, estimating a project, client meetings, what to do, what not to say, what you should not do, selection of contractors, and project management. So we'll try to cover as much as possible. So welcome to the course, and subscribe to this channel so that you get updates on the latest session which I will upload. Thank you so much.